Okay. Hi, I'm Beryl, and I recently just finished the book The First Part Last by Angela Johnson. This book is about a 16-year-old boy named Bobby who gets his girlfriend Nia pregnant. Nia is sent off because they think she needs a better environment, because her parents are very strict. This book talks about how Bobby has to deal with his new baby, Feather. His parents help him, but in the end, it's all up to him. It talks about how much pressure it is to be a young teen and have a baby, how he has to deal with high school, grades, graduating, and also friends. He has no time to just go to the arcade and hang anymore. I would recommend this book to ages 12 and up because you really have to understand and be matured to read this book because it's about a teenager who has a baby. So this book can be found in Miss Hall's room, and I really enjoyed reading this book because it was really easy to relate to, not necessarily the actual theme of the book, having a baby, but the main idea of being stressed out and like dealing with hardships in life as a teenager. So hope you take my recommendation.